Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing about assignment, that is 6th class, agriculture in our times, contact farming. The first question is, what is contact farming? The contact farming nothing but the products and who are and produce some type of products like farmers. Means here the agreement held in between the buyers and sellers. Already I mentioned here and buyers and sellers. What is that one? Agreement held in between the buyers and sellers. Then who are and buyers and who are sellers. Then here the sellers are and completely farmers and they are and producing some type of products, and what and other and members are, means other contact persons are agreed. Then they held that what type of an agreement and held in between the both of them. Means then farmers are and completely produce what they need and which type of products they need, and then they should and produce and from their field. Next, and then afterwards when they, means in time they must and what is that one, produce in time. Then price also completely held in between the and buyers and sellers. Okay children, next we will go to next question. The next question is, what are the crops preferred and for contact farming? Yes, and here already I said it about the buyers and sellers. Then wholesale sellers are completely and then what is that one, wholesale and buyers and completely, and those are collecting and some of the goods and from the farmer, is right, farmer, and then and this what is that one, contact in between the and what is that one, farmers and as well as the wholesaler. Either it is a one year contact or 2 years contact, whatever may be. So, and this and contact, which type of products are and completely produced by the and farmer, and then especially the contractor and who are and contact and something, and then that such person and completely what they need, which type of products demand in the market, such type of products are and completely produced through the field. Okay, field means, and then he will give and some suggestions to the farmer, and the farmers and completely produced such type of and products. Example, here in Telangana region, and those are and cultivate, the farmers are and cultivate different types of products, and as per the and what is that one, buyers, and those are palm oil is the very famous, paddy, amla, maize and groundnut. Another one is in soya bean, cotton, chilies. These are and completely, and then what is that one, needy and products. That's why cucumber, some type of vegetables like and cucumber, and those are important and products because daily we are and utilizing to them. That's why, and then what is that one, the buyers are and completely those are demanded in the market. That's why the buyers are and completely demanded, means what is that one, those are and demanded to them. Then automatically those are and given some suggestions to the farmers, and what and contact and held in between the buyers and sellers. Next question children, that is the third question. What are the problem and from the contact farming? Yes, here and one of the important and thing. Then what about the position here? Only the contact held in between the buyers and sellers. And who are buyers and who are sellers? Here then the buyers are, means who are sellers? The sellers are completely only the farmers. Then who are buyers? Then wholesale and persons. Means that what are the important products and want to collect and from the farmer, and those are buyers, right? And here then what will be, what and farmers want? The farmers want the more products and from the field of agriculture, is right. That's why he will collect and what is that one, more and prices and from their product. That's why, and he will spend a lot of time, and he will spend a lot of and then what is that one, products and from their field. So the company, what the company need and such type of products are produced from the and field, is right. Then the farmer and collected more products and from their field, is right. That's why, and he will apply lot of fertilizers and pesticides. He will apply lot of fertilizers and pesticides, and then and he will use and a lot of and manure and from the field. Then what will be today, okay, but further and what is that one, cultivation, he is getting lot of an problem. And one more important and problem is irrigation. Irrigation problem also one of the important and problem. What is that? And he will drill a number of bore wells. And today he is collecting some type of and money. And when he will what is that one? Improve the irrigation and what is that one important to and irrigation and as well as other important and bore wells, and when he will drill, then afterwards in further years he will and get a lot of and problem. Is right? Means first one is the topsoil is completely and wasted when he will collect more products, number one. Number two, irrigation and problem means in further years in future, and he is getting lot of an irrigation problem because and today he is getting lot of and profit. That's why he will utilize a lot of groundwater and as well as surface water. In future, maybe he will collect and he will get a lot of a problem for irrigation and as well as the topsoil. Is it right? Next, and one more important thing is, and he never get a high yield in further years. High yield nothing but products is never and get high yield. Then not only in that, and then when he will apply lot of fertilizers and pesticides, right? Fertilizers and pesticides automatically, and he will lose the topsoil and as well as, and then another one is pollution. He create some of the pollution. So, and this is the one of the important means, and these are important problems, and when and he is collecting lot of means and what is that one products and from the field. So, the contact farming is it is not and suitable for the persons. But one more important thing is, and then when we are and whatever the position of contractor, and he want a lot of products and from the field, right? Field, which type of products and demanded in the then different types of products and demanded and in the what is that one market. Then automatically you want to collect and from the field of agriculture. So, and this is the and contact. The contact is not and suitable for especially small farmers. Especially small farmers. That's why it is not and suitable for like developing and area, undeveloped area like and Telangana region. It is not and suitable for Telangana region. I hope you understood and this assignment. Thank you, children.